great. Y'all ain't fucking ready for the main event. Y'all ain't fucking ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all really ain't ready.
That Taylor Swift video and wish you on the Grammy of the Year.
Back the fuck up!
That's amazing. Taylor Swift is the fucking video of the fucking year.
That's my boy! That's my boy!
Oh shit, Lou, they starting out crazy already, gang. Look at this shit, yeah. I might start a riot. Opposite and quiet. On the pussy nigga tires. About to try it. Try it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy.
It's cool.
Let's go.
We out here in Thailand, and we ain't gonna let shit stick up. I ain't letting shit hijack this shit. I do the fucking hijacking, you heard? I do the fucking hijacking, you heard? Turn that shit up, turn it up! Fucking hard, pussy. I said, how the fuck are y'all feeling?
Back the fuck up!
Yeah!
She done shot, got a pack. That's all this is my ex-girl, I'm not gonna get that deep. Let's go, I just go and get upset, don't be petty. It's my best, look, you stressed, got the dance in my
Hold on. What's up? What he getting kicked out for? What you do, my boy? You too lit? Come on, Pig. Come say what's up to the people. Come on, bro. Help my boy up, man. Yeah. Yo, before you go, look. Yeah, I got you. Hold on. Before you go, look. Before you go. You want to say anything to the people? You want to say? Put your fucking hands up. Have some fun, my boy. Thank you for coming today. You heard?
You heard?
That's what you want to hear next? Praise the Lord. Give them what they want then, bro.
Even if down where you go. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with a game plan. And shout out to my niggas with escape plans. Yeah, 20 bands, great dance. We can even rain checking with the main tanks. Pockets down like it loaded. They gon' jump another one out hard. Line, corner, line, I'm up the block and over. Like even stuff is broken wheels. I said my shade, below, my hands, below, behave, it's gone. I came, I saw, I came, I saw, I praise the Lord, and break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw, I praise the Lord, and break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. Hey, hey, hey.
Yo, Thailand, y'all fuck with like old ASAP and Cozy tapes and shit like that. Shit! Yeah, I see you right there. I see that boss right there. See that shit? Get that mosh in there, quick. Make sure you come on that mosh real quick. Yeah. Do this next song and dedicate it to this fucking mosh right here, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Keep the camera on.
Main character bro.
Hey, 2 team. Rolling loud, y'all fucking ready to go or what, man?